I'm Dr. Wendy Chung from Columbia Asia Hospital, Petaling Jaya. What is coughing? Coughing could be voluntary or involuntary. It could indicate that you are having an illness or a blockage of your airway. Coughing cleans your lungs and your airway. So what is the difference between a wet cough and a dry cough? Dry cough doesn't produce any phlegm or mucus, but wet cough produces lots of phlegm and mucus. It can also cause chest congestion. What is a dry cough? Well, dry cough feels like there's a tickling sensation over your throat. Some patients even describe to me they will feel itchiness over the throat and it will cause you to keep coughing and coughing. That's dry cough. Upper respiratory tract infection, such as a cold or flu, can cause dry cough. Now, what is a wet cough? Wet cough will make you feel like something in your throat and you will be like, you know, something that you feel trickling into your throat and even your chest. Wet cough sounds wet because there's phlegm. A cough caused by cold or flu cannot be avoided. But what are the options of treatment available? Treatment for dry cough and wet cough are different, so do not use it wrongly. For dry cough, you can use throat lozenges, cough suppressant, and even staying hydrated can help with your cough. Product used for dry cough shouldn't be used for wet cough. We shouldn't suppress the cough because coughing is important to expel out the phlegm. For wet cough, adults can take over-the-counter medication such as anti-phlegm medication called N-acetylcysteine or pelargonium sidoids and others. Some anti-phlegm medication even contains antioxidants that can strengthen your lung function. Don't let phlegm slow you down. Follow Motherhood and Dr. Wendy Chung for more Expert Explain.